Everybody out here that's here for you is a historian, and they have an area of expertise that they're going to share with you about South Carolina history.
Hands-on learning really makes it relevant for our students. So often they see history as being a textbook and seeing it being in the past. When they get their hands on those actual artifacts, when they get to see the kind of connections that they have to those historical figures, then really and truly they see the connection to the real world. Students are seeing everything from colonial history, where they are looking at live cannon firing, from blacksmiths with a live forge today. They are also looking at how rice was cultivated, colonial games, learning about the South Carolina signers of the Declaration of Independence, and even seeing the science aspect of history, looking at archaeologists from the Charleston Museum, from the Hunley, and even the process of how indigo dyeing works.
All right, good job.
You get to learn about what people did and what leads up to what happens to you.
It's just literally a blast. Our mission is education, and if we can get these youngsters to perhaps pick up a book, to read more, to understand more about the American Revolution and of course this great country, it's just all a bonus.
No, right. Here. Okay, I can't do that.
Our school is awesome.